Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Mpho badimo, who won Big Brother Mzansi Season 3, was interviewed on YFM, you guys, and she told us how she plans on spending her money and her future plans. Now, check out this video and please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Here's the video.
Space Jams ne khalisela lo music lo ongawumameli bawujada ebusuku ubamela
No ways. This is actually some dope music, actually.
Would you listen to this music?
Of course. I was about to spin in my chair. What do you mean?
That. I mean, obviously you've been dancing. She's been dancing to the music ever since the music started.
I enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, I'm gonna wrap you up. We have to carry on Space Jams, but I've got one question.
Okay, one. Yeah, one. It's fine.
One question. You're a millionaire. What's next in your life? Do you have a plan? What can we expect from you? I know people are out here saying, yeah, she's a millionaire now. You're a smart girl. I've read all about you. I've been watching your YouTube videos and I've seen how you think.
Yeah.
What's next? What's next for Mpho?
Well, before going to the house, I had plans.
Sure.
Whether it was winning or not winning the millions.
Sure.
So I still need to stick to that because I'm a person that works with a vision board. I write down everything that I want to do. So I haven't really sat down with myself after the show. It's been just crazy for me.
Yeah.
But I need to go back to that and, keep to my short-term and long-term goals.
Yeah.
But this 2 million to me is a seed that I'm going to plant because it needs to grow. Like I said, I love money. I can't rest now because there's 2 million in my account. I need to work harder. Like there's no money in my account. So I just need to do what needs to be done. But I'm definitely venturing into a lot of things, but things that are aligning with who I am.
Yeah.
But I'm not going to blow the money. I need to grow the money.
Yes.
I want to be listed on Forbes, man.
Yeah. You see, that's the mentality.
Yeah.
Smart look.
Of course.
Do you have siblings?
Yeah, I have.
How many?
I have 3 brothers.
Have they planned their life around you? Because I mean, if you were my sister and you went to me, I'm like, I am not doing anything because my sister is a millionaire.
Oh my gosh! So I actually stay with one brother of mine. He's my older brother.
Sure.
It's between my mom and my dad. But between my dad, there's 4 of us. So we actually best friends and we so chilled. And I think he's enjoying this more than I am actually. And it's very refreshing to see that. So he's no longer just goes around. He's just like, do you know who I am? I'm Badimo's sister. You know what I mean? So it's very fun, but it's been a nice experience and he's been by my side.
Yeah.
He's been the peace in the storm, the buzz and everything else. But I'm enjoying it. Yeah.
Definitely amazing. You are beautiful and I love your energy.
Thank you.
You're super cool.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining me today.
Absolutely.
And all the best for everything, man.
Thank you, Caddy.
I know there's more that we're gonna hear from Mpho.
Absolutely.
I super can't wait.
Absolutely.
And so if I want some readings, where do I prescribe? Where do I subscribe?
In terms of that, I'll be starting work in the few coming months because now I still need to sort out security issues. I'm still having people that are stalking me, people that are camping outside my house.
You need to get bouncers.
Yeah, I need that. So there's been people that have been telling me that they want to come inside my consultation room and rape me. So I still need to secure myself first in that regard and take some time out as well to prepare myself for work. But I'll definitely be going back to work in the coming months. But for now, I just need to push what I need to push.
I know you're gonna kill it. You're gonna be amazing.
Absolutely.
We're in Space Jam Hour. I want you to throw me with the link.
Of course. I cannot miss this opportunity. Okay.
Okay. So in 3, 2, 1, go.
Yo, what's up? It's your girl Mpho badimo, the advocate of Idlozi, and I'm on YFM 99.2 chilling with Caddy. Don't chase it down. We got more music to come for you. It is the Space Jam, space music, space everything. So don't touch it down. Ayo,